Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you all with a new video, and today I want to do an unboxing. I haven't done like a product unboxing on my channel in a couple months, so I decided to do one. I just recently picked up the Gucci key case for my keys. I've been actually wanting this for a while, for the last couple months, but every time I went to purchase it from Gucci, it was always on back order, and I looked at other sites like Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom's, and none of the sites had it, so I had to actually wait until October, which it is October now, to actually be able to purchase this, because I didn't want to purchase it or pay for it back in August and then I don't get it to October, so I decided to wait, and here we are. Anyway, this is what it came in, this bag, the standard Gucci bag. But anyway, let's just get right into it and unboxing it. I haven't even opened it because I just literally got it in the mail like not even a whole hour ago. Okay, of course, in the envelope that it comes with, just basically all your return and tracking information, and I think you get like an authenticity card or something in here. Let's see what comes back in here. Yeah, you get the Gucci card, thank you card that comes with pretty much anything that you buy on Gucci. But anyway, it is what it comes in, a cute little box. This is so cute with the bow wrapped around it. Let's untie it. That's a little bag. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy to finally have this because my keys is just like, my keys be all over the place. Like right now, my keys are on two separate rings. Like this is my car key, my house keys, and I kind of just want to be a little bit more organized. And I feel like when you have like your keys on a regular key ring, it kind of like scratches the inside of your bag, especially if you have like a designer bag, and we don't want that. But anyway, this is what it looks like. This is the back of it. Some more cards with, okay, this is what it looks like on the inside, and it has Gucci here. Let's see what else. And it kind of, I don't know if a card could probably fit in here, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm probably going to put my keys on here right quick and then show y'all exactly how it looks. And this, by the way, was $230, and with the tax it came to $245. Even though I feel like over the summer, before, like when I was looking for this, I believe this was like a lot cheaper. Well, not a lot, maybe like $210. I feel like they went up on the price. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna put my keys on and then I'll show y'all what it looks like. All right, y'all, this is what it looks like closed with my keys inside, and I let this key hang out because this, of course, is like too big and bulky to go on the inside with the rest of the keys. But yeah, so organized. Like I really need this in my life. I'm not sure if a card would fit inside here. Let me try my driver's license right quick and see will it fit. I see my driver's license, so I don't want nobody trying to zoom in and get my address. So ooh. A card or something could fit in here, but I feel like it would be a tight fit. I wouldn't necessarily do it. Yeah, it would be like a very, very tight fit. So yeah, I definitely would not do it. Yeah, I wouldn't do it. And even with the card in here, it kind of, it's a little bit, it's much harder to close. So yeah, I wouldn't put a card. Maybe I would put like money or something in here. Maybe like, not even that much money. Maybe like a 20 or something. See, like even it's a struggle to pull my license back out of it. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't put a card in there. Oh, and by the way, it does have Gucci on the inside. And by the way, just in case if someone is wondering, the key case is different from like the Maltese print or whatever. Like This is my Gucci card case, and as you see, it don't really have kind of like that chevron type design on it. It's just leather with Gucci on it, just in case if somebody wondering, because when I was looking for a key case, I was trying to find one that was similar to this, and Gucci did not have one, so I just decided to go with this, and I feel like black goes with everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.